Hello everyone, welcome to Check channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to disable or enable Windows Defender in your Windows 11 computer. So what you need to do first is click on Start and then click on Settings. Now from the bottom left, click on Privacy and Security and then click on the first option, which is Windows Security. Then click on Virus and Threat Protection. Now scroll down a bit and under Virus and Threat Protection Settings, click on Manage Settings. Now from here, all you need to do is click on this toggle button here and then click on Yes. And as you can see, we have just disabled Windows Defender on our Windows 11 computer. Now please keep in mind that it is going to be disabled until you restart your computer, which means whenever you restart your computer, the Windows Defender program is going to be re-enabled automatically, which means you cannot turn it off permanently. But it is still a good thing that we can turn it off temporarily. And of course, if you want to re-enable it, you can just click on the toggle button again, which will re-enable Windows Defender on your Windows 11 computer. And that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and I'll see you guys in the next one.